Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about the room revenues key drivers. So, as with any other business, there are two key drivers for any business: quantity and the value, either the price. So, in this video, we're gonna be learning about the quantity. The next video will be about the value. So, let's start. So, in the first term which we need to understand is the total number of rooms. So, the hotel has a defined key, maybe 50 rooms, maybe 100 rooms, maybe 80 rooms, maybe 200 rooms, maybe 1000 rooms. So the total number of rooms is defined by the number of rooms which the hotel is intending to sell out. It can be 100, it can be 1000. It's normally a fixed number. The actual availability for sale is different. So the total number of rooms is the total number of registered numbers, hotel numbers, which we are selling out as per the hotel's room plans. Then you have some rooms which are not available for sale, which is maybe for various reasons. Maybe the hotel is using for their for their the office use, or maybe they have converted into a store, or they are permanently not available for sale because of they are under renovations. So the permanent reservations means that they are not available for renovation for maybe for a period of 6 months or something. So those are called not available for sale. Then that after deducting these not available from sales, then we get available number of rooms which are available for sale. So all the statistics, whether is occupancy percentage, whether is average daily rates, are calculated from available or saleable number of rooms. We never calculate the hotel occupancy or hotel ADR from the total number of rooms. Now we have another thing which is called room versus room night. So what is the room? The room is one static number. So if the hotel has 100 rooms, and then so it's 100. But a room night means if one guest is staying in that room for 2 days, so it's converted into, so it's said he stayed for 2 nights, but he still stay in one room. We will not say he stayed in two rooms, but he stayed in 2 nights. So normally in a month, they say there are 30 days, 31 days, or 21 days. So in 1 month, if the hotel has 100 rooms, so in 1 month the total number of room nights available for sale will be 3000 if there is a 30 days month, or 3100, and but the number of rooms will remain to be 100. Then you have occupied room nights. So out of the total 3000 room nights which are available, how many room nights the guest actually stayed, which is paid. So the guest can be staying from by paying them, by not paying. So it can be complimentary. So if the total occupied room nights are usually the paid was paid together with the complimentary. However, for the sake of comparability, we normally and for the sake of percentages, occupancy percentages, we use paid occupied room nights only. There are complimentary house use room nights, and then there are permanent rooms. So permanent room is the room which is contracted to be stayed for more than 30 days. So if there is a contract which says that the guest is supposed to be staying for 30 days or more than 30 days, then it's called permanent rooms. But if let's say the guest is just staying there, but there is no defined contract, but he continued to stay there for every day, and then he is staying for maybe 2 months, 3 months, that is not considered a permanent room. That is still considered transient room. Is still part of the ADR and still part of the occupancy percentages. Then you have out of order rooms, which are temporarily out of order for maybe some small renovations or for deep cleaning. Those are just only for statistical purposes to understand why the hotel, how the hotel is, how many rooms are actually out of sale for the time being for short period of time. But they are not, we are not deducting them for calculation of any kind of statistics. So let's look at the example now, small example. So here we are considering the hotel rooms which has 30 days operating for 30 days, and in one scenario it's operating for 20 days. So because of maybe a seasonality, so this was actually we can use 365 and low season, maybe a rainy season for some days. The total number of rooms are 100. So the room night available are 3,000 and 2,000. Under renovation for under renovation and under internal use and not available are like this 4, 5, and 9. So the available rooms or saleable rooms are 91. Now all the calculations we're going to be using is from these calculations, but the hotel still have 100 rooms. Now the total room occupied by the guests are 1,200 and 1,200. Say complimentary rooms are 200, rooms sold are 100, 1,000. So the occupancy percentage which is calculated are 36.6%, e 1,000 divided by 2,730. And in this case, it will be 1,000 divided by 1,820, which is 54.9%. So this is how now you see if the hotel has a tendency to take out, let's say, the rainy season out of their rooms availability, means that the hotel is closed for sale during those 10 days. So the occupancy percentage is increased, even though the hotel has not sold any extra room. However, if the hotel is selling maybe all the rooms but not able to sell anything, then the occupancy percentage goes down because the number of rooms available for sale are still higher. So when you are comparing the hotel's performances from one hotel to another hotel, that is one factor that you might be willing to consider, or comparing year on year performances where there is a seasonality in the hotel, that is it all the rooms are available for sale or not available for sale. Okay, then in the next video we're going to be learning about the quantity. Thank you very much for watching.